Hi everybody, I just wanted to talk a little bit about a water heater, and that's what we're looking at here. This is a gas-fired water heater, and I can see the gas lines down here coming in to the temperature regulator. Anyway, the way this system works is this. The cold water is going to come in, and usually it has a blue handle, and you can see there's a blue plastic flange here indicating cold. So the cold water comes into the unit. It's going to come down, and behind this little door here is where basically it's a flame, like if you've ever seen a gas stove. It's going to heat the water. Think of it as a big kettle in there where the water is. It's going to heat the water. The water is going to get heated, come up through this discharge line. We can see that it has a red flange, okay? And it's going to go through the distribution of the house to your sinks and showers and that sort of thing, to basically draw hot water. A couple things about a unit that I'm going to look for if I'm out checking them out. You want to see right here, I like to see, this is a pressure relief valve, and it has a drain tube that is connected and goes within a couple inches of the floor. I like to see that. We don't want to see these open. We're going to see them a lot where they're open, but this is about, right now with me, maybe waist level. But if there was a little child or something in here and this were to release because there was too much pressure from heated water inside, it could spray somebody and basically cause scalding or burning and that sort of thing. So for a safety measure, we want to make sure this is directed down to the floor. These are very easy to get to, by the way. You can get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, or any other hardware store, so to speak, that supplies them, and they just twist in here. Again, I don't recommend any work on anything unless you are capable of it. We recommend licensed plumbers and that sort of thing to do this type of work. Now, I want to show you here, this is a good view right here of a control valve, so to speak. So this is your temperature regulator, and you can see it's set on A, okay? Now, it has a recommended setting with an arrow here. I recommend 120 degrees or less because we don't want people to be burned by the water and that sort of thing. But reference, the maintenance guides of the particular unit you're in. But this is where you're going to control the water temperature of your water heater, okay? I do recommend, because this is a 40-gallon tank, which I'll talk about it in the data plate, I do recommend one notch at a time and then let it sit for a day to heat up so that you're making sure that the whole system is supplied with the correct temperature water. Here is your valve where you could put it on pilot if you're going to be going on vacation or for different periods of time, or you can even turn it off, or if you needed to relight it, okay? Here is your gas valve for the unit. This is a data plate, and in this data plate I can see that it's a 40-gallon tank, and that it was built in 2006. Statistically, these units last 12 to 15 years, and then they should be replaced. So if you are at the end of that time frame, you really want to keep an eye on it. One of the things on Home Watch is we come into houses, and if you look at other videos, you will see, or other photos that I have on the website, you will see where water heaters have gone, and that's not a good day for anybody. But I wanted to show this to you guys real quick, a little bit more in depth, because I had nice access to this unit. So if you have any questions, always feel free to call me. We'd love to have you come on board with us. Thank you very much. Have a great day.